How to select which WordPress roles that can report and moderate BuddyPress posts. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to select which WordPress roles that can report and moderate BuddyPress posts. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But you can have it with only few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress moderation. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Moderation Settings. Scroll down to the Who Can Report items and select any roles you want to have ability report posts and members. And then, go to Who Can Moderate items. Select any roles you want to have ability moderate items, including remove posts or ban members. And then, you can set up any other things, like visitors report settings, email settings, and other dozens of features. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.